The Motorola RMU2040 is a 2-watt, 4-channel two-way radio which operates on 89 UHF business exclusive frequencies and is FCC narrowband ready. Construction and manufacturing are two industries in which this product excels. Its rugged design allows this radio to last. When hands-free communications becomes necessary for your operations, the RMU series has accessories which are sure to deliver. Let's talk about a few earpiece options. The Motorola RMU2040 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece is a more discreet product, which works well for security settings and others who want to conceal their communications equipment. Switch this earpiece among employees with a replaceable clear coil and memory foam ear tip. The Motorola RMU2040 G-Hook earpiece is a more rugged option, which can be easily cleaned off and maintained. The G-Hook is also a very comfortable accessory, which can be used on either ear comfortably. The Motorola RMU2040 D-Shell earpiece was created as an option for those working in environments that require more durability. Construction and manufacturing settings are examples of appropriate applications for this D-shell as it forms a more solid attachment to the ear. All three of these earpieces possess the M1 connector, which is the part that plugs into the audio port of the RMU2040 handheld. Lastly, here are just a few tips when utilizing these accessories with your two-way radios. Plug the earpiece in before powering on the radio. Make sure that the wire is facing up when plugging in the accessory. Push hard enough to feel or hear a click when attaching the earpiece to the radio. Power down your radio before detaching the accessory, simply to get into the habit of only connecting or disconnecting while the radio is powered down. Enhance your RMU2040 communications by making them hands-free. For more information on these Motorola RMU2040 earpieces, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.